Luxury car manufacturer, Audi is conducting a summer service camp from the 8th of April to the 20th of April 2019 across all Audi workshops in India. The campaign offers a 50-point complimentary service checkup, which includes air conditioning, brake and tires, exclusive offers on select Audi genuine parts and accessories, extended warranty and value-added services. Moreover, customers can also avail complimentary on-spot evaluation of cars and enjoy exchange bonus benefit of 1 lakh rupees on purchase of a new Audi vehicle. The Gear Up for the Summer campaign from Audi offers 25% savings on select Audi genuine parts, 10% discount on Pirelli tires, 20% savings on select Audi genuine accessories and 25% savings on engine oil and filter replacement for cars which are older than 7 years. Additionally, customers can avail 15% savings on an extended warranty. Speaking on the occasion, Raheel Ansari, head Audi India said, "Customer delight is at the core of our strategy in India, and we at Audi continuously strive to deliver the best after-sales experience to our customers. As extended summer holidays approach, we do not only wait for customers to indicate their service requirements, but we also proactively support them in taking the best care of their prized possession for planning their excursions." He further added, "Keeping our global promise of Audi service, we have ensured that a dedicated in-house team of service experts ensure that the world-class luxury and service standards that Audi customers are accustomed to will be available to them with ease and transparency at all Audi authorized workshops."